Hey, it's not a Christmas without a sweetie, right? Merry Christmas, guys. My name is Philemon Shepa here, guys, and it's Christmas today. Yes, it's Christmas. It's the 25th of December 2018, and you're wondering why, Philemon, why creating a video on Christmas Day? It's time to spend some family time with your family. Yeah, I agree. But hey, sometimes you just gotta show up, right? But that's not it. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make money online with your YouTube channel or small YouTube channel as a beginner, right? So you don't need to have a large following. I'm gonna teach you everything I know on how to grow money with your YouTube channel, right? A small YouTube channel, right? Because as we are talking right now, my channel has 150 subscribers, right? As of this recording, right? So what are the three things, right? The first thing, let me tell you that, right? The first thing is you wanna take down notes of this. People people like uh, people care about three things the most. Love. Trust me, everyone wants love, right? So they will do whatever it takes to get love, like how to be better in bed, right? How to talk to the one, how to go on date, right? Anything that has to do with love, sex, everything like that, that's love. So people like love, right? Okay, love. People also like health, right? Nobody doesn't like health, right? I like to be healthy. I'm fit. I'm okay, right? Everyone wants to be healthy. As long as they want to lose weight, they'll do anything or they'll buy any product that has to do with lose weight, right? So health. And the third thing is, hey, everyone wants that freedom lifestyle. Everyone wants to have no problem with money, no overdue coming in payments, that paycheck to paycheck lifestyle, right? So they want wealth, right? So wealth. I hope I spelled that right. Right. So that's the number one thing. So what I'm saying right now is pick a niche. I hope I spelled that right also. Right. Pick a niche. Those are the three niches. Hey, those are the three niches you must consider. Those are the three powerful niches. The other ones not so powerful, right? But these are the three niches that are powerful. Now, from these three, pick the one you want and you want to talk about. And you have to talk about in these three niches, you have to have a sub niche. What's a sub niche? A sub niche is, for example, like health. I mean, like wealth, right? Wealth. A sub niche of wealth can be wait. The sub niche of wealth can be weight loss. I mean, make money online, right? Or it can be uh, so something that has to do with wealth, like how to get money from say from washing cars, right? A sub niche, for example, uh, make money online or make money online with affiliate marketing. Health here is lose weight through keto diet or keto diet or something like that, right? So this is this, right? And for love, it can be how to be good in bed or how to talk to your crush, right? Talk to your crush, right? People need to know how to maybe how to talk to their crushes, or maybe they'll buy any courses that's probably powerful to talk to they want to make her love you, right? Something like that, right? And that's the first thing. Second thing now is right, create free content in that niche, right? Create free content, right? So number two is create free content, right? Create free content, right, in that niche. Because what you wanna do is you wanna basically get attention as much as possible, right? As you can see here, if you go into my videos, right, I've been posting videos on a daily basis, non-stop for the past month, every single day, right? Every single day, right? 14 hours ago, one day ago, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 week ago, right? And you go to 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and a month ago, right? 4 weeks ago, which is a month, right? So exactly here, a month ago, a month ago, a month ago, non-stop every single day. And what am I doing is letting YouTube know that hey, take me out of the bubble, because YouTube puts you in a bubble, kind of a bubble, right? Because people are creating channels every single day. So YouTube puts you in this bubble where it's like, hey, who are you? We need to know who you are first. So you gotta prove to us that you're committed to do these things, you're committed to this, so we can give you the publicity or the attention you want, right? So, for you to get out of this bubble is to create content, maybe on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, right? I create the videos on a daily basis. It's way better. I mean, I like it, right? I like it. So that's why you wanna pick a niche that you like. We're going back to number one. Pick a niche that you like between these three that you wanna talk about. If it's love, wealth, or or health, right? And create content daily. And what I saw when I was creating, right? Because it's a 90-day thing. It's a 90-day plan, right? It's a 90-day plan. 90-day plan. If you take this thing for true action, like for 90 days straight, I will bet you that you will see results, right? I've been doing it for 1 month, 1 month, and I already been getting 130 subscribers. 1 month. After 3 months, boy, YouTube is just gonna be like, hey, get the swag attention you want because we know that you're committed. You've been doing this for 1 month, right? That's the second thing. Now you're probably wondering, hey, Philemon, now okay, you can get all these thousands of subscribers, but how do you get money, right? Start. Let's say number three, right? Number three, start selling products, right? Start selling products. You gotta start selling products. You gotta monetize your content, right? I have monetized my content. But if you see in every of my video, even in this video, there's a link in the description that is telling you to click to my number one recommendation that is teaching me everything that I'm teaching you right now and even more, right? That's how I'm not monetizing my content. And the best thing you wanna do is you wanna sell, let me say, high ticket product, right? High ticket product. Let's go to a calculator. Let's not do high ticket, or let's not do like expensive like a 997 product because you're just starting. Let's say for example we are doing a 97 product, right? And I'm speaking from experience, right? 97 products. I have 130 people. Not all of them are gonna buy, obviously. Let's say two of these people of 97 buy, right? Times two, right? That's already 149 bucks US a month, right? That's already just from 130 subscribers. Imagine you have thousands of subscribers where you're getting let me say where people are when this 97 product you times it by probably 50 people, right? 4,800 US a month, right? The best platform to find this product, let me show you, it's called Clickbank, right? Clickbank is one of the best platforms. Why am I saying that? It has the health niche, it has the weight loss niche, it has the love niche. Hold on, somewhere here, the love niche. Somewhere here or somewhere here, right? The love niche. Exactly, right? So you wanna put out videos on a daily basis in those things, and what's gonna guarantee you is right the right audience is coming to your YouTube channel, right? It's gonna come to your YouTube channel, right? Cause what you do on YouTube, what do you do on YouTube, right? It's a digital place, right? It's a marketplace, right? When you go there when you have a problem, I Google on YouTube my problem every time, right? Every single time I Google or YouTube my problem, right? And I see videos, and sometimes people refer me to products that are gonna help me. Well, they're trying to sell you. Why can't you do the same, right? So those are the things, right? So guys, those are the things you need to do to make money online, guys. So go out there, put out videos on a daily basis, be consistent, right? Never give up on this, even though it's not going to show action right now. Even though it's not gonna show effect right now, just be there, be motivated. I'm motivated every single day. I'm here. Every single day I am here. No matter even though it's Christmas, it's Christmas, right? I'm here every single day, right? So guys, never give up. I'm gonna eat my stocky right now or sweet right now and enjoy my Christmas. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. My name is Philemon Shiapo. If you don't know me, I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. So subscribe to the channel. Come on, you gotta subscribe after this, man. Hey, I'm doing this even on Christmas, man. Hey, no one is doing this. You gotta subscribe after this, right? So subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like this video and check out my number one recommendation in the link in the description that teaches you how to basically monetize. Because I just told you how to do it, but I didn't teach you how to sell it, right? How to go about it, how to get these people, how to get more of these people, right? How to make thumbnails, how to do this, how to do copywriting, SEO, right? So check out my number on link in the description that will teach you everything that you need to know. Guys, my name is Shinema Shepo, and peace and Merry Christmas to you and your family. I hope you enjoy your day. Peace.